very, say, a very narrow point of view to say not to consume meat. A world which has around 700 million of population, that's around 1/10 of the population which is under extreme poverty. Where do you think they are going to take all those nutrients? A human is a carnivore. A human is a carnivore, he is bound to consume meat. There is no virtue in being vegetarianism. If anybody tries to compel you, if anybody tries to change your mood, if anybody tries to force you, or anybody tries to coerce you, that being a vegetarianism makes you better than others. I'm sorry, my dear friends, it does not make you any better. But there has to be a fine balance. It should not be to an extent that we have started, a chain of a spree of events where several animals have been extinct. And it does not only depend on one culture. It would be very harsh and very, stupid to say that. It is very preposterous. Across the cultures and across the times, across the civilizations, there have been many activities that have led to these responsibilities. But eventually, it does not make a difference. There have been thousands of lectures, several conventions. There will be, stricter laws perhaps. It is not going to change. A human is bound to make crimes. I know I'm sounding a bit, pessimistic, but that is true. And the more sooner we realize it, the more sooner we are going to make a difference. And that difference is going to come from you guys only. Nobody is going to make a different law unless you yourself believe that I should not do this. In that context, a difference between a bull. Yeah, aesthetics difference between when you kill a butterfly, it's like, oh my god, we have done something wrong. But when you kill a cockroach, it's like, oh my god, thanks for saving us. So the aesthetic nature of morality is very crucial to understand. I know there's a positive time, I'll just take another minute. I'd like to draw your attention towards some stats. 100 million sharks were killed annually. 100 million sharks. And you know how many sharks kill humans? There were less than 100 casualties that were reported. So there is a difference of 10 to the power 5 of the orders of the magnitude of the difference. Around is unnecessary. You cannot save the planet by saving people. Of course, you cannot save the planet by saving the animals. There has to be a fine balance. It has to be that thin line, and that has to come from the academicians.
Even as you can see,
to think upon it rationally.
on the occasion of World Animal Day,
you have to think about it rationally.
Faculty of Law, Delhi University organized a seminar on overview of animal protection laws in India. And on the occasion of this competition, there are various competitions are happened, like a poster competition, open mic competition, slogan writing competition, and Rangoli competition. I am also participating in slogan competition, and our classmate and also various batchmates are participating in different competition. So if you want to become a part of this event, such type of event, you need to crack the due LLB exam and enroll in law faculty.
मासूम आंखों से अनगने अल्फाजों में जानवरों को संग नहीं करते। आखिर हमें भी तो चलना चाहिए। उड़ती है हवा, उड़ती है हवा, चलते हैं जंगल।
The judge is about to coming from various High Court, District Court, and Supreme Court to judge and the result. As you can see, open mic competitor is giving his speech. If you
ये सवाल भी आपसे पूछना चाहिए। ये कैसी जमहूरियत है? जमहूरियत डेमोक्रेसी। हम लॉ स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो डेमोक्रेसी हमारे लिए एक वरदान है। ये कैसी जमहूरियत है जो मुंह खड़ी है? ये कैसी जमहूरियत है जो मुंह खड़ी है? आखिर गूंगे जानवर।
next participant.
Different laws have have protected their rights, and according to me, we should educate ourselves, protect them, and protect ourselves also. So thank you.
Thank you, Sarthak. That brings us to the end of our lineup. A big thank you to all to hear what you have to say. We will now take a few moments to tabulate the results, and the winner will be announced very soon. We request you all to kindly remain seated.
As you can see the view of Rangoli competition made by some students. As you can see the Rangoli competition view made by some students. We are waiting for result now guys, and for the memento also. So these such events we give some knowledge and activity. As you know, the theme of this year is shared planet for World Animal Day. Every year celebrating on 4th October 2022 in this year and every year. And as you know, by first time World Animal Day was celebrated in Germany on 24 March 1925, but in 1931 a very popular activist Zimmerman from Italy first time celebrated World Animal Day on 4th October in 1931. From that time, every year we celebrate 4th October as World Animal Day. So on that occasion, our university, that is Delhi University faculty of law, organize the event on this occasion, and several competition like slogan writing, open mic, poster writing, poster making, and several competition, and we are the part of that competition. The competition event is done, and now we are waiting for the result. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video will help you and motivate you for coming to join our faculty. For that you have to crack the due LLB exams, and for this year it's scheduled to be held on 9th October 2022. If you keen to join our faculty, you can contact me for any suggestion, for any help, like syllabus, everything about your intents, anything about classes. Our Telegram channel name is Legal Prudent Studies, my YouTube channel, and you can also contact me on Telegram. My Telegram ID is rahulprudent_like. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's look at a view of this university. Yeah, as you can see, this is the legal ad clinic, and slogan competition is happened here. It is seminar room, and this is the moot court room where the several competitions are organized. हाय क्लास है
And singing Our Heart, if you guys have heard that song. So,
here you can see the singing song is going on by several singers.
Thank you very much.
I would now invite Swati Solanki ma'am to announce the results.
It's time to result, guys.
Good afternoon, my dear students.
Not on ma'am.
It's a very noble cause that was initiated by our very own student Ekamshi, Dolma Sanki, and Himanshu. There are three minds who approached me some few months back with the idea that we as an institution often talk about our rights, but the most neglected part is this area that we have nothing to address about the animal rights. I congratulate Ekamshi and all those who are working for this cause here today. Please, a big round of applause for all. It was very interesting to hear your thoughts, your arguments, and the love that you share for the voiceless. Now the bigger picture is, and the question is, that because we are a law student, all of us, even the teachers, we need to go and find and identify the law and ask the right questions. You will be surprised to know that when we look at the original artwork of our preamble in the Constitution, that artwork does have some images of the animals and the birds. And in the middle there is an image of bull, which is a totem for someone who is a good leader to lead the pack. When we talk about the duties, Article 51A, Clause G, talks about compassion for all living creatures. Now, it is wrong to say that when we talk about animal rights, it is a fight between whether we should consume animal meat or not. But the correct approach or argument should be rather that if we are taking the lives of animals for food, it must be done ethically. There is no law which prohibits the consumption of meat, but if we talk about slaughterhouses, and mind you, there is a one in Southern Bazaar, are we adopting the ethical practices? You will find none. Why is it important? Because it has larger impact not only on the environment, but the health and wealth of those who are consuming the meat. Are they tested? We do not know. So as a law student, we must identify that what are the laws which are meant for, not only for the protection of the animals, but when we take away their lives. Are we following the ethical standard? And that is the right argument. Now it was a close competition among all the participants, so I congratulate all of you. But those two students who stood out are, we have Akshata Kohli, citizen.